Greetings all, coming at you today from our practice range. Today was supposed to be our monthly match. My local club is Payton's Posse, and we shoot at the Bridgeville, Delaware Rifle and Pistol Club every third Sunday of the month. Today's match was canceled because of the weather, unfortunately. It is pretty cold out here, and I wouldn't have wanted to be standing out for several hours doing a full match, but I did want to take advantage of the opportunity of the sunshine today to do a little video about my holster style. So one of my followers commented about the reverse draw and their concern that if they did that they would sweep themselves, and I've gotten that feedback before, and I knew that from looking at SAS rules the reverse draw was not a violation of SAS rules, and it is historically accurate, so we ran the traps on that. So today I want to show you how the reverse draw is correctly done and how you can avoid sweeping yourself and others when you do it. The lift out of the holster involves more forearm movement than it does shoulder movement. The correct style is to clear the leather, get horizontal in front of you, then do the twist. That brings the butts towards the ground and the muzzles where you want them to go. You're going to pull those pistols or whistle Dixie. Thanks for watching, folks. Before we break, I just want to give a little public service announcement. Please remember to support the NRA and the Second Amendment Foundation. They're fighting for our Second Amendment rights every day.